In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a page in Webflow. Archiving a page in Webflow is basically the same as turning it into a draft so it's no longer visible on your live site, while still keeping it in your project in case you want to reuse or reference it later. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to safely hide a page without deleting it. First, log into your Webflow account using your usual details. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your projects. Find the site you're working on and hover your mouse over it. When you hover, you'll see an option that says Open in Webflow. Go ahead and click that to open the project in the Webflow Designer. After the Designer loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar. In that toolbar, click on the Pages icon. This opens your Pages panel, which shows every page in your project, including static pages and, if you have them, CMS collection pages. Now, find the specific page that you want to archive in that list. Move your mouse over the page name. As soon as you hover over it, a small gear icon will appear to the right of the page title. This gear icon opens the page settings. Click on it. A new panel will slide out with all the settings for that page, such as its name, slug, SEO options, and more. At the top left of this panel, you'll see a Save button. Directly to the right of that Save button, there's a small downward pointing arrow. This is where you choose how to save the current state of the page. Click that small arrow, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select Save as Draft. By setting the page as a draft, you're effectively archiving it. It will no longer appear on your published site, but it will still exist in your project in case you want to bring it back later. Once you've selected Save as Draft, make sure the change is actually pushed live. To do that, go up to the top right corner of the Webflow Designer and click the Publish button. Choose the domain or domains you want to publish to and confirm. After publishing, that page will be hidden from your live site but safely stored in your project as a draft.